Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bajaj Majesty DX11 dry iron. There's an image of the dry iron right over here as you can see, but it's also obscured by the sticker unfortunately. There's some specifications mentioned. It says this is a lightweight dry iron. This comes with antibacterial sole plate coating. It is a 1000 watt dry iron, and it also comes with 2 years of replacement warranty. Let me open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have a use and care manual from Bajaj. Everything that you will want to know about this particular product you will find here. I will quickly take a look if I can find the specifications for this particular iron. Doesn't seem to be any, and that's more or less it. Also, this is the warranty card for this particular dry iron. Now let's take a look at the dry iron in question. This is the Bajaj Majesty DX11. It's a very compact dry iron. As you can see, it's super small. This is the sole plate. It comes with 2-layer non-stick antibacterial coating and a pretty thick sole plate as well. This comes with German glide technology. Basically, this design is what you call German glide technology. It's designed to navigate the iron over any fabric. So that's the idea. There's an LED indicator over here, and this is the ergonomic handle that it comes with. Also notice this dial. This dial has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different fabrics mentioned for when you want to iron different kinds of fabric. Finally, we have at least 1.5 meter long nylon braided power cable with a 3-pin socket on one end, 3-pin plug on one end, and also this particular power cord comes with a 360-degree swivel cord base. As you can see, you can turn this cord around like this, full 360-degree, without any obstruction. Notice this base as well. This is how you will be resting this particular dry iron. There's a pretty broad base over here just for this particular purpose. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Bajaj Majesty DX11 dry iron. Thank you for watching.